Hands to your side, hands to your back. Ruiz, get your hands to your back, Ruiz. Here we go. Hands to your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Big dog take big fight.
Let's get it. Let's go. They're getting the beer over there. I like that. Getting the beer on early. Let's go. Let's do work.
Get some. Do work.
Big gangbang doing some work.
No spilling.
It's getting wild in here. It's getting crazy. Crush those Lucky Charms.
Let's go.
We got Big Gangbang doing work. We got Gangrene doing work. Gangrene's getting wild. Crush him. We got to spew into this. It's getting crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Owning mamas. Ruiz is doing work over there. Big Gangrene getting insane. Go. You know, I'm combining two teams into a super team. Gangrene, get wild. Yeah, I know. Gangrene is getting insane. But Gangbang also doing work. It's getting insane. It's kind of too close to call right now. Let's go. Hands to the side. Hands to the side. I wonder if y'all ate anything before you came here. Look at my girl over there. Marshmallows in her face. She don't give a shit. Crushing that. I own your mama.
Go, Christy, go.
You got this, baby.
Choo-choo swallow.
Bam, you got it.
Come on, y'all. Somebody's not doing any work at all over here.
Crush that half bag the other day. Get it.
Hey, Raul, where's Raul?
Got him in the hair.
Can their assistant pick the bowl up? Yeah, oh, your assistant can pick the bowl up. He's crushing? I can't see. I can't see. Dude's doing work. Damn, dude is doing work over here. Yeah, damn, look at that. He doesn't even need anybody. It's always the skinny ones. Fat people like me, you would think I could eat like that, but I can't. It is getting insane over here. Ruiz is doing work over here. Ruiz is doing work. I own your mama doing work. She got cereal in her eyes. She don't care. Gangrene's doing work. But Gangbang doing work as well. Shenanigans starters.
They gotta finish the whole bowl. Oh my God.
Gangbang, is Gangbang getting close over here?
Come on, Christy. Come on, Christy. Take bites.
Nobody ain't close to you,
This
baby.
is insane. I can't see it. I just have to take your word.
Yeah, Chris.
That is a whole box of cereal.
Yeah, Chris.
Damn. Watch the spillage, y'all. Don't get the spill on. Yep. You gotta hold it down for like 2 seconds to win. You can't like crush it on and pick it back up. If you puke, you're disqualified. I'll have to throw that disclaimer out there. I don't know. Nah, you can't. They said you can't do that.
Almost 4 minutes. Almost 4 minutes.
I don't know if you can do that actually. Raul, can
Hold
you?
the beer for it.
I mean, I don't know. It's Raul. Raul said you can. I mean, I didn't hear any rule against it. I apologize. I didn't, go for it. Crush it. Do work. I mean, however you do it, you're drinking the beer one way or the other. You got
don't have much left.
Put some beer in here. Put some beer in here.
This might get ugly. This is kind of getting ugly. This is getting ugly. Yeah, this is Raul's idea.
You're killing. You're killing. Come on, Chris. You're killing.
You're destroying it.
Benny is happy to be bartending downstairs this evening.
You're almost done.
We're going to have to put the tarps down after this event. Did you guys bring your green tarps?
Yeah, Chris.
Yeah, whoever's participating, you can step out to the deck when this is done and get some fresh air. Yo, I see it. He's destroying shit.
Still is.
Get your hands out of there.
Yeah, Gangrene. Big Gangbang is just doing work. Oh, actually, Shenanigan Stars over there is going to town now that I see that. Damn, Shenanigan Stars is doing work. Raul's coming around to see what's going on. Hey, I'm just saying Shenanigan Stars is picking up steam over there.
You got one person you're competing against.
Steam.
One person. The other two are bullshit.
Oh my God,
One person.
Oh shit, who is this over here? Who is this? What team is this? What team is this? Is this I Own Your Mama? I Own Your Mama's coming. This is getting
That's
insane.
it. One team. One team. You'll be one team.
Damn.
The other
Coming
two
out of
are
the wire. We got 3 teams doing work. Hey, Gangrene is no shit. I don't know what's happening. Hands to the side, hands to the side. Hands to your side. Less spillage. Damn, Shenanigan Stars over there is about to go for the kill. I'm just letting y'all know.
Hey, forbear there, everybody else.
Alright, it's getting down. It's getting down. Raul, keep an eye on what's going on over here because I think it's getting close. Over here to the left, Shenanigan Stars is ready to come through. I'm not kidding, she's going to town. Damn. Going to town. If it's getting close to Gangrene over here. And then the Gangbang was doing work. And then we had I Own Your Mama doing work. It is getting crazy. This is going to be a mess, ladies and gentlemen.
You got this.
You got it. You just got to believe in yourself at this point, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, it's all about believing in yourself. Or if you're too wasted to know what's going on. That's hopefully what's going on here.
Come on, Christy.
Boom. This is going to be ugly. It's getting close. It's getting close. Damn, this is insane. Let's do it. Shenanigans started getting close. Mandy, you keep an eye on them? Keep an eye on them. I see it, I see it. I see the spillage though. I do. There is some shenanigans spillage though. I've seen some spillage. I see it. I mean, you can keep eating because if there's too much spillage.
Oh man, you're a fucking dog.
Yeah, Crit. Yeah, Crit.
You guys all can finish too, because if somebody finishes first and there's too much spillage, Shenanigan Stars is about to finish. That doesn't necessarily mean she's gonna win though.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Crit, you got it.
There is some spillage by the side. I gotta be
Crit, you
honest.
got it.
There was spillage by the girl next to her. Spilled a lot of it. I saw, so I'm going to take that into consideration. I saw it.
Come on, Christy.
You got this, Crit.
Oh, Shenanigan Stars crushed it. I gotta definitely say, probably half of that spillage came from the girl next to her. I saw some crazy spillage happen.
Yeah, Crit.
So that would be my final verdict. But these guys right here.
Crit.